Imagine getting a Go Wild Pass for just $2.99.
Yeah.
So hey you guys, so I just wanted to jump on here today. I posted a video yesterday about my experience flying with my Go Wild Pass. So if you haven't seen it, do go check it out. But I still wanted to jump on today to make this video because yesterday Frontier just launched a new pass. It's still a Go Wild Pass, but then it's for the fall and winter season. So those two seasons are combined into one pass. You still get a 5-month gap to use your pass, just like the summer pass, but the catch is it's for $2.99. That's the lowest I ever seen a Go Wild Pass being out for. Usually the lowest for the summer pass was $3.99 and the lowest for the annual pass was $5.99. So $2.99 is the lowest that I've seen it out. And like I said, you get 5 months, so I just wanted to let you guys know in case you guys are not planning to travel until September. So from the beginning of September through the end of February, you can use your Go Wild Fall and Winter Pass. So in case anyone wants to travel within those months, those are the best months to go to the Caribbean. So I would say if you just want to go to the Caribbean one time, you could just get a pass for $2.99 and you go on one trip and it'll be worth your whole pass, okay? And if you guys are wondering what the fall and winter pass has to offer, it's the same thing as what the summer pass offers and what the annual pass offers. So I'll be linking that video below because I also did a video on that. So I'll be linking it down below so you could check it out if you're interested in getting a pass for you or your family or anybody, okay? By the way, you guys know how the summer pass is now on sale again? Yeah, it used to have a little timestamp that says that today will be the last day. May 31st will be the last day for you to buy your summer pass. What I noticed now is that that little timestamp is gone. So if you still want to get it tomorrow, I believe that it will still be at that price because they took that off. So there's no time frame to it, but then they can stop that at any time now. So if you want the summer pass, jump on it right now. So yeah, that's all I have to say today. If you guys are looking for trips and tips on how to save with Frontier, or if you guys just wanted to get free baggage, free seats assignments, you guys could check my a video from yesterday. I put in a lot of information on that video, so I won't be going to too much details on this one. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Yeah.